Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed 1 coming to you from the racetrack. Well, I don't know if you remember or not, but I had built a slotted Chaparral 2E, but I didn't paint it the same authentic color. I painted it like that. I remember from the past video. Yeah. So I told you I was going to go get one off of eBay and do it up how it's supposed to be. You know, authentic. Okay. I don't know if but yeah, I bought a white kit. Or no, I'm sorry, not a white kit, but a body kit for it. Same chassis as the orange one had been on, but now I've got this one, which I painted it up and detailed it and got it looking pretty good. So we'll put the poor little orange one down out of the way. Now I've got the lane already rigged up with my drone or ghost car cradle that holds the controller on there, and I have my power button turned off to that lane right now. Okay, so basically all I got to do and as usual with slotted, that thing runs smooth, it runs reliably, it grips the track. If y'all haven't already tried slotted, y'all need to try to give one a try. I think you'll be pleased with them. Okay? So now I have two bodies for the same chassis. So I can bolt either one of those up to the same chassis and have a little spice of variety to it. Okay. And I've got other cars that I've done the same way, where I'll just buy the body kit and reuse the chassis from another car from it. Okay. And that's kind of a end run around having a bunch of cars. I've done that to some GT40s and some Ferraris, and now with my Chaparrals. And I really love slotted. Slotted are excellent little cars. And this is 1/32 scale. And the detail on them is really nice. I have no complaints. They all go together just like a plastic model kit, only it's got an electric motor in it, right? So I have something to add to this, if you'll hang on a second. Now those are my 2E, and I'm trying to keep you with the camera. Well, those aren't the only ones that I've got. Y'all have seen that number 1 before. But I also have the number 66 in this Chaparral, which many of you may find familiar. Okay. So, yeah, I guess you could say maybe I have 3.5 Chaparrals. So that's about it for today. I'm not going to stretch it out any longer than I have to. Y'all have a great day. God bless you. Take care. Love one another. And I'll see you soon again from the racetrack. Bye.